It is not too late to start saving money for an emergency fund. This is a 52-week savings challenge, which will be up pretty soon. But you can start it now and just carry it over to next year, 2026. Because I'm sure you may have an emergency next year. So if you start it now and keep it going now, you will have money to tap into next year. Okay, so join me in this 52-week savings challenge. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergency, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. Because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, which is very important to have. You know, saving small amounts of money can equal up to your emergency fund. You just have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. You know, another thing that helps if we live on less than what we make. Like if you make $1,000, live on $500. Watch our spending, staying out of this. See that? Yeah. And don't spend money like there's no tomorrow, because there is a tomorrow. And you will be fine. You will have money to tap into. But sometimes I know we have to get our finances and get everything in order. You know, we need to come out of this. Okay? Yeah. So, I have 7 savings challenges, and I know today is Sunday, but I didn't get a chance to do Saturday's video, Saturday savings challenge, which is this one here. And I didn't get a chance to do Fridays either. So, I was going to do Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays today. I was like, no, that's too much. So, I'm going to do Saturdays today, and when I finish filming this one, I'm going to do Sundays. And Fridays, I'm going to, when I do it next week, this week, actually, I'll double it. Because the goal is to stay on track. Okay? Yeah, this year is almost over. Yeah, it is. So, like I said, I have 7 savings challenges, and this is savings challenge number 6, which I do on Saturdays. And this one is called my Money Box Savings Challenge. This is a box that I ordered from Amazon. It was $13 or $14. And we have been stuffing this with this. $20 bills. So this is what you need. This and this. Okay? And if you can't do 20, do whatever you can. But the goal is to save $1,000, which will be our emergency fund, and that way it will cover any emergency up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. That way, if something like this happens, you'll have money to tap in to. Like if something like this happens, you have money to tap into. So if, let's say, for instance, your living expenses for the month is $1,000. You multiply that times 3 or 6, and you'll save $3,000 or $6,000. Now, I'm just saying if that's your living expenses, if that's what it is for the month. That way, if something like this happens, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car insurance, your life insurance. You can buy food. You can still maintain things and keep things going until this situation changes. Or if you have something like this, you will have money to tap into and take care of those things. Yes, you will. So, and we want to make sure we do this. You don't want to have to run out and get one of these, one of these, one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Okay? Yeah. And do whatever you can to try to start coming out of this. Okay? You might have to increase your income. Okay? That being out of this can not only help you save money for an emergency, but it can help you to become financially free. You can't be financially free and boggle down with this, because whatever money you have coming in, however you make your money, it'll be going towards this, and you don't want to have to do that. Okay, now you especially want to stay out of this. But if you're in something like this that's making you passive income and is going to help you to be financially free, that'll be good. Okay, now if this is your situation, this is a great savings challenge because it is working with small amounts of money. But if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Now, right now, there's a lot going on. A lot of people are losing jobs. Jobs are closing down. A lot of layoffs. But you know what? It's still ways out here to make money. Yes, it is. You can start a YouTube channel. You can do this. It may take some time to build it up, but it may not, depending on what your niche is and depending on how consistent you are. You can make money doing this. Or if you have a 9-to-5, you can have a side hustle. I still work a 9-to-5. I'm working until I retire. But I have a side hustle that I do, not just YouTube, but I have another one. Okay, so you got to have multiple streams of income. That way, if something happens to one, you have something else to fall back on. You have something to fall back on. Now, it may not pay as much as your primary, but it's something that will help you. You don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes, okay? Because if you be in that situation, you'll be in this, okay? And you don't want to be in this. You want to have some money to tap into. And like I said, this is a 52-week savings challenge. We're on week number 45. We have 7 more weeks left. So that's why I said it's not too late to start one now, because you can start it now and just carry it over to next year. Okay? Yeah. So with this particular savings challenge, you can't see the money because it's in here. Some of the other ones you can see, like the money bottle, the money jar, my photo album, and the cash stuffing envelopes, and the cash stuffing binder, and the ones with the rolls of quarters. You can see that money, but this one you can't. But I've been stuffing this money box since the beginning of 2025. So I'm going to go ahead and put this $20 bill in here. And like I said, if you can't do a $20 bill every week, do $10, $5, whatever you can, as long as you're doing something. Hey, you don't want to go in there. It's getting too full. Okay, it has 2 holes, see? I can fold it up and maybe put in the other one. Seems like it's getting pretty full. Okay, let's see if we can get that in here. Oh, this is really, really getting full. Let's see if I'm going to take something and push that down. Oh, I can't get that in there. Now I'm going to have to get this in here. Okay, you're going to have to go in here. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's go. Oh, I think I've been forgetting to say this. And instead of eating out all the time, because that is expensive, go to the store and buy food and meal prep. If you don't know what you can meal prep, go on Google, go on YouTube, and type in the search meal prepping ideas. and that will help you. So you won't be spending money on eating out because, like I said, that is expensive. And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee every day or every other day or however many times a week, do you know you can buy this at the store? Because I've seen it. I don't buy it because I'm not a coffee drinker. But you can buy this coffee and any other coffee, and you will have more coffee and spend less money. You can make it how they make it. You can make yours better. So yeah, that will really help you. Okay, so let's go ahead and record in our planner. Oh, I gotta get another planner for 2020. You know, I may have one already. Okay, today we're gonna say today is Saturday. Okay? And we're going to go ahead and record. Okay, this is our, today is Saturday, November 1st. Okay, this is our money box savings challenge. And we added $20. Okay, let's see what it was last Saturday. The total amount was $820, so now it is $840. So if you had started this savings challenge at the beginning of 2025 and been consistent, putting $20 in here, I won't say every week because there was some Saturdays I missed, like I missed on the 18th. You would have $840 saved right now. Wow. Yeah. So, you know, if you had like a emergency, like with your car, if your car broke down or something, you have some money to tap into. So that's why I'm creating these videos, because the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency. And we don't want to be in that situation, okay? We want to have money to tap into. We want to have more than enough, okay? So I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know. Drop me a comment and let me know so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.